In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a printer in Mac from Network. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage all of the printers that you have on your Mac, either a desktop or a MacBook, and how to add them over the network. So to do this, access the System Preferences, aka the settings, and look for Printer, and you will find Printers and Scanners. Choose this option initially, and in here you can see the printers that are active. If you see no printer active and you would like to add the one from your network, choose the option here, Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax. When you select this option, you have to switch from default to IP. This is how you will be adding it over the network. Of course, you can choose other options if you prefer, but IP is the one that refers to a network. Now, you have to input the address, hostname or IP address, choose the protocol, and queue. Usually, simply filling out the address will be enough to make sure that everything is done automatically. So the most important aspect is filling out either the hostname or the IP address. Protocol can usually be left on default unless you want to specify something else, and queue you can ignore. And you will be able to select the proper drivers and name the printer down here. So after you input the address, all of the information is going to appear at the bottom. So you input the address like this, it will be reflected here. You can change the name if you prefer, so this is customizable. And when you choose the use option, you can now select which drivers they are going to use. You can leave it on auto select and see if it works, or specify one by going to select software. When you choose select software, you will see a bunch of models, for example, HP printers, Epson printers, and so on. And if a particular model doesn't appear here, then you will have to download drivers. So visit the website for your printer, HP, Canon, Epson, and so on. Once you have the drivers downloaded and you restart this process, when you go over to the printer software option, it is going to appear on the list, and it is now going to be set up on your Mac. Make sure that it is active and good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a printer in Mac from Network. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.